Hi, Catalyst. This is Stacy Landreth Grau. I am a professor of entrepreneurship and innovation at TCU, and I also direct the Idea Factory here. And I am a design thinker, and I love design thinking, and I think it's a fantastic creative framework to really look at all kinds of challenges. So this year, we are going to look at you. We are going to use design thinking and aspects of design thinking to help you figure out what is an effective way to maximize your happiness and your fulfillment at work. We're going to be using principles of design thinking along with this book, Designing Your Work Life by Bill Burnett and Dave Evans. They've had a lot of success using design thinking to help so many people across the world design their life. But for those of you who are ready for quite the big leap, this will hopefully help you figure out a great way to design your ideal work life. Hope to see you there.